Antimicrobial resistance (AMR) is a global health and development threat and is one of the top 10 global public health threats facing humanity. Misuse and overuse of antimicrobials are the key drivers in the development of drug-resistant pathogens. In 2019, an estimated 4 million human deaths were linked to AMR, including 1.3 million human deaths directly caused by resistant bacteria. At Xenex Animal Health, our fight against AMR began with the discovery of novel strain Bacillus siamensis ZMT02 at Zydus Research Center. The novel strain has been selected for its strong antimicrobial activity against poultry pathogens like E. coli, Salmonella species, Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus species, Enterococcus species and Clostridium perfringens. Thus, supplementation of Bacillus siamensis ZMT02 in poultry diet ensures sustainable farming without antibiotic and AGPs. The novel strain fuels our probiotic product and is available in both feed and water-soluble form. Improval BFS and MS are the key to total gut integrity.